This is the 2026 Freightliner Cascadia CA126 Gen 5 Sleeper. And this is one of the most in-demand line-haul specs we lease at Rolling Equity Leasing. If you're running regional or long-haul freight, especially FedEx line-haul, this truck is built to make your life easier and your drivers happier. Under the hood, you've got the Detroit DD15 Gen 5. 455 horsepower, 1750 pound-feet of torque, paired with the DT12 automated manual transmission. That combination is proven for fuel efficiency, smooth shifting, and long-term reliability. This truck is set up with a 229-inch wheelbase, 12,500 pound front axle, 40,000 pound tandem rear, and an 80,000 pound GCWR. Dual 120-gallon fuel tanks keep you moving longer between stops. From a safety standpoint, this is the full Detroit Assurance Package. Active Brake Assist 6, Adaptive Cruise Control all the way to 0, Active Lane Assist 2 with Lane Keep, Lane Departure Protection, and Lane Change Assist. Side Guard Assist with automatic braking on the passenger side. This is real, functional safety that reduces incidents and protects drivers, not gimmicks. Inside the sleeper, this truck is spec'd for retention. 72-inch raised roof sleeper, double bunks with spring mattresses, factory refrigerator and microwave shelf, 1800-watt inverter with shore power, Aspar auxiliary HVAC and bunk heat so drivers can rest comfortably without idling. Up front, Elite 2.0 air suspension seats with heat and ventilation come standard. LED lighting throughout the cab and sleeper, privacy curtain, and a flat-screen TV mount round it out. From a compliance and efficiency standpoint, this Cascadia is SmartWay certified, CARB ultra-low NOx compliant, and built specifically for line-haul duty cycles. It's backed by a 4-year, 600,000-mile extended engine warranty. At Rolling Equity Leasing, we don't just hand you a truck and wish you luck. We structure leases to support uptime, control costs, and keep your operation running smoothly. If you're ready to upgrade your fleet or replace aging equipment, the 2026 Freightliner Cascadia CA126 Gen 5 Sleeper is available now through Rolling Equity Leasing. Give us a call, and we'll walk through the right lease structure for your operation.